Welcome to SATX test for divisibility third part. We are starting by this video. We are in exercise 1.5 and we are following Cambridge Math 7. Today's question, we will solve just one question, which is number 8, and this is a massive question. By this question you will learn lots of things. So question is that show that only two numbers between 1 and 10 are factors of 22599. It means this 22,599 can be divisible by just two numbers, which is between 1 and 10. But what is that number? So first one, we have to divisibility test. 2 to 10. 1 is a common thing, so no need this one. Only factors of 2259 between 1 and 10 are 3 and 9. So our answer is 3 and 9. But how? Why not 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10? Why not? Why only 3 and 9? Let's check. First, check 2. Look, the last digit of this number is 9, which is odd, so it's not divisible by 2. It's a simple thing. Then this number is divisible by 3 because once we make summation of digits like 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 9 equals to 27. This is 27. 27 can be divisible by 3. So 3 is a factors. Okay, 3 is a factor. 4. We know last two digit, if we can divide by 4, we can understand whole the number is divisible by 4. But look, 99 cannot divisible by 4. So 22,599 also not divisible by 4. Okay. Another thing, last digit is not 0 or 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. How about 6? Look, not divisible by 2, but this number is divisible by 3. But our condition, we should divisible by both 2 and 3. But 3 is okay, 2 is not okay. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 6. 7. It's a very interesting thing. Last video, we understand how to find out the value or how to find out that number can be divisible by 7 or not. So this is last digit twice. So our number is 2259 and last digit is 9. So 2 times 9, so 2259 minus 18, it will be 2241. Same 224, last digit is 1, it will become twice. So 2, so 224 minus 2 is a 222. Again 22 minus 2 times 2 is a 4. So 22 minus 4 is a 18, but 18 is not divisible by 7. Therefore, this number 22599 is not divisible by 7. Now, 8. We know if last three digits divisible by 8, that number also divisible by 8. But once we divide 599 by 8, the quotient is 74, but remainder is 7. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 8. And finally, sum of digits is 27. 27 is a multiple of 9. It means 9 times 3 is a 27. So 9 is a factor. So we already solved that why only oh, one more thing, last digit is 9 not 0, so this number is not divisible by 10. Therefore only factor is that 1 and 100 are 3 and 9. I hope you clear this one. Very smart, very interesting question. So number A we just solved. Now we will start number B. Is a similar process. Let's try one by one. Now our target to find out the factors of 99522 from 1 and 100. So here is only 4 numbers, which is 2, 3, 6, 9. Why not 4, 5, 7, 8? Why not? Now we will find out why 2, 3, 6 and 9 and why not 4, 5, 7, 8. Look, last digit is 2, so it can be divisible by 2. Any even number can be divisible by 2. 3. Once we make summation, the result is 27. 27 is a multiple of 3, so 3 is a factor. Last 2 digit is 22, but not multiple of 4, right? Look, 4 times 5 is a 20 and 4 times 6 is a 24, but 22 is not divisible by 4. Therefore 99,522, this number also not divisible by 4. And finally last digit is 2, not 0 or 5. Therefore this number also cannot divisible by 5 and also 10. Okay, now how about 6? Yes, this number can be divisible by 6 because we already proved that this number can be divisible by 2 and 3. So this number also divisible by 6. 7 needs some calculation, like 9952 and the rest number is last digit 2, it will be twice. So let's check. So 9952 minus 2 times 2 is a 4, so our result is 9948. Now 994 minus 8 times 2, it will be 994 minus 16, result is 978. So 97 is the rest of number of last digit 8. 8 become twice, it will be 16. So ultimate result is 81. 81 is not a multiple of 7, so it's not divisible by 7. Very simple, very clear. Now 8. Look, last 3 digit is 522. Once we divide 522 by 8, the quotient is 65, but also remainder, which is 2. Therefore this number is not divisible by 8. Finally 27 is a summation of all the digits which can be divided by 9. Therefore 9 is a factor. And finally 10, last digit is 2, not 0, so it's not divisible by 10. So finally we can say the only factors of 99522 between 1 and 10 is 2, 3, 6, 9. So no more today. I am trying to solve step by step by this video. I hope you are clear for this. Please subscribe my channel, which is SatX. I hope you will get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.